Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, today's date is 22nd February 2024. We are in the live market. Yesterday we could not release the video as we are busy in the trading. Now you all know how to use our indicators from the scratch. It is very simple. The first and foremost thing what you are supposed to do is go to the tradingwing.com and create one free account. Then subscribe the indicator and join our YouTube channel and Telegram channel called MST School of Trading. And watch the videos. If it is worth, like. If you have any complaints or comments, please comment in the comment section. Go to the indicator settings and give reset settings. This is the first thing you have to do. And secondly, keep the stop loss to tiny to stop loss and tiny to targets if you are trading in Bank Nifty and Nifty. So these are the initial settings you are supposed to do. Let me show you the yesterday's performance as well as today's performance. Okay. And this about this day, that is on 20th February performance, already we had released videos. So now I will show you how the market is marking this zone. Now it is in current market, live market, it is going on. I am just replaying and showing you what has happened yesterday. So now we got our zones formed. We all know that if the market is coming up towards 47,429, then we will be buying 47,600 put option buy. If the market is coming from here to here, we will be buying what? 47,600 call option. I will show you here. See, if the market is coming and touching this zone, we will be buying what? 47,600 put option. If the market is coming here, this area, we will be buying 46,800 or 600 call option. So whichever side it is coming first, that side we will be trading. Other side we will ignore. So only the first activation is valid. If SL hit, then we can go for the reversal entry. So now what has happened? Nothing has happened. It is neither has reached the sell zone nor the buy zone. Now it is coming near our buy zone. Now we should be ready. And here one thing is, these 2 candles are having big bearish candle, and the next candle is the green candle. So now we should not avoid the trade. If the last 3 candles are continuous red candle, then don't go for the buy entry immediately. Wait for some time. Now you see, it is a mixture of green and red. So now what we will be doing, since buy activated, go to the indicator settings, come down, scroll down, enable first buy targets, also enable second sell targets. If SL hit, then we can go for the reversal entry. Otherwise we can book at the target itself. So if you want, you can add 3 targets extra. No compulsory. You can exit in 3 targets also. So just for the extra settings. So now what happened? Buy activated. Immediately in the next candle, target hit. Again buy activated. Again target hit. Now if you want to wait for more time, then you can wait by revising the stop loss. Now you see, first buy target hit, second target hit, third target also hit. If you want to exit from the market, then you can exit. If you want to score more profit, then also you can wait. Market is running. Now the time is 1:30. We got all the targets achieved. Once again it is coming down around 2 o'clock. It is coming and touching our buy zone. Once again target hit. See here, exactly it is taking the support from our zone only. How it is possible? Before the market has opened, we are able to identify this. And yesterday itself, second sell got triggered. Okay, and today there was a continuous fall. So here yesterday the second sell got activated, and this high is not broken, and continuously it is falling, and all the targets in second sell of today's zone is hit. So if you consider yesterday's zone, then also profit. If you consider today's fresh level, then first buy a sell hit, here we are exiting, then second sell we are entering, second sell first target hit, second target hit, and third target also hit. So hope this is clear how we are making the indicator. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us on the given number 9500009154. Thank you all for watching our video. Please keep supporting us. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We will be happy to help you all. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and share our videos to everyone. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.